Three. So, good day, ma'am. Good morning. Today, we will going to discuss the situation of marketing team planning a promotional activity. So, good morning, team. Thank you for joining the meeting on time. Today, we will finalize the promotional strategy of upcoming product launch. Before we start, can everyone hear me?
Yes, Raven, your audio is clear.
Same here. Everything is working fine.
Great. Let's begin. Our goal is to boost engagement and reach for the product launch. So, Jose, can you start by sharing the results of your market research?
Sure. Based on the survey, our target audience prefer short, creative video content and interactive posts. Peak engagement times are between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. I recommend we schedule most of our promotional posts during those hours.
Thank you. Thank you, Jose. That's very helpful. Now, Jamel, how are the promotional materials moving along?
I've already drafted a poster and a promotional banner. I already created a simple teaser video. I will upload all the files to our shield folder later so that everyone can review them.
Great work, Jamel. And now, Edwin, kindly update us on the social media plan.
I prepared a posting schedule that includes teasers, countdown posts, and user engagement content. Once materials are finalized, then start posting as early as tomorrow. I also monitor engagement and response to comments to increase visibility.
Perfect. And lastly, Jose, please share your plans for documentation.
Yes, I'll monitor the performance analytics, including the reach, clicks, and comments of each post. I will compile everything into summary and report at the end of the campaign.
Thank you, everyone. Before we end, does anyone have a questions or suggestions?
None so
None
far.
so far.
All right. To summarize, Jose will finalize the analysis report. Edwin will upload promotional materials. Jamel will implement the posting schedule. And Jose will handle the campaign documentations. If there are no further concerns, this meeting is officially adjourned. Thank you, team, and have a good day.
Thank you.